Hello everyone, I'm Jyoti Agrawal, teacher trainer at BenQ India, and I'm back once again with another onboarding video for BenQ Board RE04 series. BenQ Board RE04 series is Google EDLS certified, and in today's video, we are going to explore and understand how an EDLS certified board can enhance our user experience. To enable larger Android devices with screen larger than 18 inches, to run Google apps and services natively, Google established EDLA, that is Enterprise Device License Agreement, in late 2022. To understand the difference, Google apps can only be used on interactive displays without EDLA certification only when a user is screen mirroring from another device. However, on the EDLA certified devices, like the BenQ Board RE04 series, teachers can have direct access to Google tools. Google EDLS certification offers educational institutions access to a comprehensive suite of Google for education tools, which enhancing collaboration, efficiency, and student engagement. It provides cost-effective, secure, and scalable solutions, supporting both remote and hybrid learning. Additionally, educators receive professional development and institutions benefit from data-driven insights and technical support, improving overall educational outcome. EDLS certified devices automatically receive firmware and app updates, along with antivirus scans. Additionally, we can manage backend control of accounts on Google Play Store using DMS, that is Device Management Service, provided by BenQ. This helps to protect against unwanted downloads of apps and restrict the Google account on the board. Users benefits from Google Play Protect along with COPPA compliant DMS service with the BenQ RE04 series. When GMS is included as a part of panel's standard set of tools, educators gains access to Google for education directly from the device. For the many schools that utilize Google Classroom, Google Sheets, Google Slides, and Google Docs regularly, upgrading to an EDLS certified interactive whiteboard makes it possible to use these tools in a new and a collaborative ways, like run learning apps for group participation, for instance, Quizlets, Mentimeter, etc. Edit and annotate directly Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides. The EDLA model also allows those who use Microsoft tools to download Microsoft applications like Office 365 and Teams directly from the Play Store, just as they do from any Android tablet. When institutions are already use Chromebooks and other Android native devices, adopting an EDLS certified interactive whiteboard in the classroom makes it even simpler for teachers to add multimedia directly to the lesson plans. The compatibility with devices throughout the school's technology ecosystem makes sharing ideas and resources with other educators easy. Now let me show you how to access the Google Play Store on board. To access the Google Play Store on the BenQ Board RE04 series, you first need to configure a Gmail ID. This will allow direct access to Google Suite on the board, which includes Google Drive, Google Meet, Google Maps, Google TV, Google Files, and Google Photos. You can also enable BenQ services on the board by giving your consent during the initial configuration. From the app section, you can access the Google Play Store. This is how the Google Play Store interface appears. You can use the search bar to find specific applications or browse through different categories to discover new apps. Now let's explore the Google Play Store on RE04 series. EDLS certified RE04 series provides enormous benefit, including familiar user interfaces, access to Google tools and search functions, and a gateway to thousands of potential learning resources via Google Play Store. Let's explore video conferencing apps on BenQ RE04 series, especially for hybrid sessions. So teachers can download any kind of a VC application from Google Play Store for their hybrid session, like Teams, like Zoom, like Google Meet. Apart from this, the BenQ board is also equipped with BenQ Suggest. We can access the BenQ Suggest app store from this site, and we have Whiteboard EasyWrite 6 and InstaShare 2 for wireless casting on BenQ board. One important feature of RE04 series is the ability to use two apps simultaneously. With the split screen feature, you can open the EasyWrite Whiteboard and the Chrome browser together. And this can be done in this way. EasyWrite 6. From the toolbar, we can select Chrome browser, and that is how it will come up in the split mode. We can even drag and drop the images and the content on the whiteboard, like in this way. User can also open any two apps together, for instance, like Google Play Store and Photos simultaneously. So, before opening any two application, we need to open these two applications first. So, I'm going to click on Play Store. Again, move to the home screen. Open Photos. Move to the sidebar again. Click on the Recent. And from here, we can click on Split Screen and simultaneously can open Photos along with the Play Store. This is how we can open, other than EasyWrite 6, we can open any two applications simultaneously with the help of sidebar and the recent apps. This concludes our video. Stay connected for more informative videos. Thank you.